Guys, it's Joe here. You are warmly welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you the very perfect Ghanaian jollof rice that you and your family are going to love. It's beginner friendly, delicious and flavorful. Yes, so let's jump right in. But before that, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe if you are new here. So let's start cooking. With me here is some onions, garlic, fresh basil, ginger, calabash nutmeg, dry rosemary, and habanero pepper. We'll go ahead to blend all together. Once it is nicely blended, we'll pour it over a clean chicken. To that, we'll add in some all-purpose seasoning, some cumin, salt to taste, and a seasoning cube. We'll then mix everything together very well. Over a medium-high heat, we'll cover it and allow it to cook. Now you notice I didn't add any water because I want the chicken to bring out its own juice. 15 to 20 minutes later, our chicken is ready and it's looking perfect. We'll go ahead to take it out of the stock and allow it to cool. Then you can start frying. So you may decide to air fry it, deep fry, or oven, however you want it. But for today, I am going to air fry my chicken. Okay, so to my baking sheet, we'll add in the chicken, drizzle some oil, and then air fry them. Once that is done, we'll go ahead to pour the chicken stock into my all-purpose stew, which I have the recipe on my channel, but we'll also leave the link in the description box for you to check it out, okay? We'll then go ahead to give it a stir and allow it to boil. So in a bowl, I'm going to add in 3 cups of jasmine rice, then wash it until the water runs out clear. So I mean washing it 3 times, okay? Once that is also done, we'll set some of the stew aside because I don't want my jollof rice to come out mushy, okay? So we'll set some of the stew aside, then add in my rice, okay? I can always add in more stew if needed. Next, I'm going to go ahead to give it a gentle stir, then add in more stew. Also, we'll add in some salt to taste. Give it another stir, then add in just a little water to loosen it up, okay? We'll give it a quick stir and cover it with some parchment paper and bring it to a boil. Once the water is out, we'll give it a stir so that the steam can help the rice to cook beautifully. So it all depends on the type of rice you're using. If you're using a basmati rice, you can add more water. But if you're using jasmine rice, you only need just a little water to cook the rice. Alright, so 15 minutes later, I came back to check on the rice. We'll give it a nice stir, then cover it and cook it for additional 15 to 20 minutes. 15 minutes later, our rice is looking perfect, but you can see some are white. So what I'll do is just sprinkle just a little water on top, or better still, you can use the condensation water in the middle. We'll also add in some onions and green bell peppers. Give it a gentle stir, cover it, and allow it to cook for additional 5 to 10 minutes. 7 minutes later, our jollof rice is ready and I'm ready to enjoy. So quickly run to your kitchen and make this deliciousness, okay? All right, guys. And we'll also like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for your love and support. God bless you. Thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.